Let me show you how to remove the gear case. Start by disconnecting the washer from the wall outlet. Turn the water faucets off. Put a towel under the water valve to catch any water drips and remove the two fill hoses. Put the towel under the drain hose and remove the drain hose. Open the door on the washer and remove the agitator. Put something on the floor to lay the washer on its back on it. Let me show you how to remove some of the parts that you need to remove. This is what you need to do to remove the pump. This is how you disconnect the wire harness from the motor. This is how you remove the wire harness from the holder on the gear case. To be able to remove the gear case, you will need to remove these 3 bolts or screws. Now that you know how to remove those parts, let's remove the gear case. Disconnect the wire harness from the motor. And remove it from the holder on the gear case. Remove the pump from the motor shaft. And stick it between the cabinet and the frame out of the way. Remove the 3 bolts that hold the gear case in place. Use one of the motor holding clips as a handle and wiggle the gear case right out. Like this. Before you could install the new gear case, you need to grab the brake assembly like this, push it in, turn it counterclockwise and leave it in this position. Make sure that it's all the way in. Make sure that the spring on the clutch is facing the pump like this. You will need to transfer the clutch from the bad gear case to the new one and the motor mounting plate. So watch the video on how to replace the clutches. You need to see how it's done. Now grab the gear case and slide it in. You may have to wiggle it a little bit until it sets in place. I hope you notice that I'm using one of the motor mounting clips to make it easy to mount the gear case. Now screw in the holding screws. Now you could use a ratchet to tighten the holding screws or bolts. Set the pump holding clips in place. And install the pump. And snap the pump holding clips over the pump to hold it in place. And connect the wire harness to the motor. Stand the washer up and install the agitator. Install the drain hose and the two fill hoses. Open the water faucets and try the washer to see how it works now.